Hi, this is Chris McClune, Senior Editor of Fire Apparatus and Emergency Equipment. I'd like to take a few minutes today to talk to you about, well, fire apparatus. If you are a chief officer, a line officer, a firefighter, chauffeur, fleet maintenance supervisor, you're going to want to be in Scottsdale, Arizona on January 18th to the 20th for the 28th Annual FDSOA Apparatus Specification and Maintenance Symposium. The event I'd like to talk to you about is the 28th Annual Apparatus Specification and Maintenance Symposium. Fire Apparatus and Emergency Equipment is pleased to be the media partner with the Fire Department Safety Officers Association for the 2016 event. The Apparatus Specification and Maintenance Symposium offers attendees a variety of opportunities. The first opportunity is the Big Room Sessions. This year's Big Room Sessions are going to include the keynote by Jim Juneau, a presentation on NFPA 1901 and 1906 revisions. Remember, January 1st, 2016 is when the new changes take effect, and a new session this year on drones in the fire service. And more opportunities are available to attendees by attending the classroom breakout sessions. These sessions are specifically geared toward apparatus purchasing and maintenance and include such topics as apparatus maintenance, mini pumpers, and apparatus specifications from the firefighter's perspective. The networking opportunities at the Apparatus and Specification Symposium cannot be overlooked. First of all, there are the vendor displays. Vendor representatives are on hand during the show. Many of them are actually teaching during the event and are available to answer your questions about different challenges that you might be having at your department regarding apparatus specification or equipment supplying. Second of all, there are myriad informal opportunities, informal sessions to network with your peers and discuss the challenges you're facing on a daily basis with your apparatus fleets. And not only can you discuss the challenges, you can discuss the solutions that you've come up with and provide that information to other departments, and maybe it'll work for them too. Additionally, we will have a presentation on Interschutz 2015. For those who don't know, that took place in June 2015, and Joe Hedges from E1 and I will be sharing our experiences there, some of the things that impressed us the most about European apparatus, some of the things that we might be able to learn on the state side, and some of the things that actually might not work if you're considering them for your next rig. So with all to see and do, I do hope we'll see you at the Apparatus Specification and Maintenance Symposium. Don't forget, this year it did change venues. We're going to be out in Scottsdale, Arizona. So that'll be January 18th to the 20th, immediately followed by the FDSOA Safety Forum. All information on both events can be found at www.fdsoa.org. Thanks. I hope to see you there.